Over the next few videos, I'm going to demonstrate how to make this spring here. So the first thing I want to do is I want to start a new inch document. The first step to making our spring is to sketch a helix. And to remember, to create the helix, I have to have a circle. So I'm going to select the front plane. I'm going to tell it I want to create a sketch there. And I'm going to create a circle. Use mouse gestures to activate Smart Dimension. And I'll dimension this 1 inch. I'm going to use mouse gestures again to activate line. And I'm going to add a vertical and a horizontal line. I'll push escape. I'll select both lines while holding control, release control, and I'll make these construction geometry. I'm going to look at the part isometrically, and then I'm going to exit my sketch by right clicking. With the sketch highlighted, I'm going to tell it I want to make a helix. I'm going to use the pitch and revolution method, set the pitch to 100 thou. I'll do 10 revolutions, starting at 0 degrees clockwise, and I'm going to enable the taper helix and add a 10-degree taper. With these set up, I'll say OK, and I've created the first helix. The next thing I want to do is create an angled plane, and we'll start the next video there.